At Aakash, testing strategy is excellent. Teachers are very supportive and helps you motivate you, and the competitive exposure here is like very much, and so it helps you keep you motivated throughout your journey.
They had a very pivotal role in all the journey. I remember a phase when there was the board exams and there were not any main test series, but I was like, I want to do test series. I want to be in touch with all the curriculum of NEET. So my Aakash BYJU'S arranged a special test series, extra test series for me. So that was very important and played a great role.
When I took admission for the regular classroom batches, then I started preparing seriously with Aakash BYJU'S, and the study material, the teachers, everything was fantastic. It was very comprehensive, and I think it played a great role in my success.
I'd heard a lot about their test series and how it boosts up a student's confidence. I knew I wanted it for that, as well as the modules. The packages that they give are really good, really well written, and all the questions are covered. I don't think there was any question even in the actual NEET exam that came from out.
And whenever I had any doubt, I used to watch iTutor videos where the concept was explained beautifully with the help of graphics and videos, and that helped me strengthen my weak topics.
Yeah, see, Aakash as an educational institute, they put a lot of efforts with their children, the students who are studying them. So, in the last 3 months, what I realized, the faculty has put enormous efforts. They are making question papers every day. So, and they're making question papers, then checking them, and then releasing the answer keys, and then computing the marks of every student, and then making a merit list, and then publishing. Hats off to the faculty of the Aakash Institute.